Welcome to the Monday Make, a series of do-it-yourself videos brought to you by the Phoenix Public Library. I'm Tina, a library assistant with Youth Services. Today, we're going to make a moon phase model. Are you ready to make something? Here are the supplies you'll need to make a moon phase model. Remember, kids, before you start any DIY project, be sure you have permission from your grown-up. You'll need some paper, a moon phase chart, a pencil, marker. I'm going to use this paper plate for tracing. It's about 6 inches in diameter. If you want to use a smaller circle, find something smaller at home to trace. Some string, a glue stick, and a pair of scissors. Use your paper plate to trace 8 circles on the paper. Color each circle like each of the moon phases on the chart. Cut out the circles and put them in order. Now we're going to use our glue stick. Take the first circle, fold it in half, and then take the second circle and fold it in half. Use the glue stick to glue the back of the first half of the circle, then stick the back half of the next circle onto it. Continue for the next moon phase circles in order, except for the last piece. Before adding the last moon phase, staple or glue the piece of string at the top center of the last circle. Add glue to both halves on the back of the last circle. Finish off the model by attaching one half of the last circle to the previous moon phase and the other half to the first moon phase. You can tie the string in a knot at the end and hang up the moon. Did you know that the moon takes about 27.3 days to orbit the Earth? The phases of the moon change every 29.5 days. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun making this moon phase model with us. Please share your finished project with us on Instagram. Ask your grown-up to take a photo and post it using #TheMondayMake and #MockPPL. And make sure you don't miss our next video. Subscribe to Phoenix Public Library's YouTube channel. This STEAM DIY video has been brought to you by Mock 1 at Phoenix Public Library. What will you make next?